This is the new second generation Kia Seltos, and here are 5 things I believe it does better than any other car in its segment. Number 1, design. Now I know design is subjective, and I think with the amount of edginess this design has, how polarizing it is, I'm actually quite liking it. In my books, this is the best looking car in the segment. Number 2, the screens. Now I'm not a big fan of screens in cars, but at least the way it's been done in the Kia Seltos, I think it's not shouty, it's positioned just right, it's very easy to use and is not getting in my way. I think these are the best screens in the segment. Now number 3, number 4 and number 5 are all about comfort. Let's start with number 3. It's the NVH levels, and Kia has done an incredible job of making sure that the NVH levels stay under control. I'm driving the diesel, I've also driven the turbo petrol. In both these cars, the wind noise, the road noise and even the ambient noise and even the powertrain noise in the case of the diesel has been kept in check. And again, I think these are the best NVH levels in the segment. Now number 4, again related to comfort, it's the suspension and how it's been tuned for actually offering a comfortable ride quality. Now the Seltos was a good handling car before. The handling might have gone down now, but the way the suspension's been tuned to just soak up the bumps, even the sharp bumps you hardly notice inside the cabin. Now number 5, last but not the least, I want to talk about these seats. They also add to the comfort. Now making seats for cars is a tricky job. Too soft and you will not like highway journeys. Too hard and city journeys will not be nice. I think with the Seltos, Kia struck a fine balance and the seats feel really supportive and comfortable at the same time, irrespective of if you're driving on the highway or in the city.